let me show you how to use Sliq to your advantage. Okay, gonna wet this down. So as we let Sliq soak in, I got my workaholic towel. These are nice towels in our store to just use for things like this. So again, we've sprayed Sliq, okay, and we're letting this stuff set up. I have already sprayed all the other wheels. It's already soaking into there. So let's go in and now just work this product into the rim. And what you're gonna get is it's gonna take and help protect these matte rims. Let's say somebody doesn't want to pay for a wheel coating. Some people don't want it. No problem. You don't want to put a coating on your own rims if you're a DIYer. That's fine. It's not for everybody. We're going to go ahead and use Sliq and get the backup camera right. And now what you'll see is a nice, rich finish to this style of rim. We had the accents painted for the customer with this nice accent purple. This is going to be for his daughter. Again, he doesn't want to have the rims pulled off and coated. It's not the nature of this. And so what you'll see is a nice, perfect finish on this matte rim. Now it's much richer. We've taken any of the spotting away. We've put a nice little layer of protection on this rim. Again, is this going to change the fact that the rim is going to get damaged and dirty? It's just going to help it, right? We're just giving it a fighting chance. I would use this in every wash. I would spray Sliq on a rim like this to help keep it alive and looking good. So I tend to think far too many people don't take enough care of their matte rims. These are rims you have to stay on more than a normal alloy rim, clear coated rim. This looks great, but this is a great tip. Use it on your weekly wash, your weekly maintenance, whatever it is you need to do. Now this wheel looks perfect. But like I said, this is all at the beginning of our process. I got a little extra here. All at the beginning of our process of getting a ceramic coating on this car.